Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile in first person. You can easily select First Person Perspective, or FPP, from the Game Mode selection screen before starting a match. Just tap the Mode selection box, often found near the Start button, and choose FPP from the available options. This changes your view from third person to a direct, eye-level perspective, immersing you deeper into the action. It's a fundamental shift, offering a fresh way to engage with the game world. To optimize your FPP experience, head into your game settings. Navigate to the Sensitivity tab and carefully adjust your camera and ADS sensitivities for first person. Many players find success by slightly increasing their FPP-specific settings for quicker turns and more accurate aiming. Also, consider enabling and fine-tuning your gyroscope. This allows for small, precise adjustments by tilting your device, giving you a significant edge in close combat situations and long-range engagements. FPP demands a different approach to gameplay compared to third-person perspective. Always be aware of your surroundings and use cover extensively, as your peripheral vision is naturally more limited. Practice quick peeking around corners to gather information or take shots without exposing your entire body. In close quarters battles, precise crosshair placement and effective hipfire are essential. Many pro players also recommend adjusting your aiming down sight sensitivity for different weapon types, ensuring smooth transitions and deadly accuracy every time. FPP brings both distinct advantages and a few challenges to your game. On the positive side, it delivers unparalleled immersion, making every encounter feel more intense and personal. It also removes the ability to camera peek around corners, leading to fairer engagements where skill truly shines. However, the reduced peripheral vision means you must constantly scan your surroundings and rely more heavily on sound cues. This can be a hurdle initially, but it pushes you to develop a heightened sense of situational awareness and strategic positioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.